In this video, we're going to look at subtracting positive and negative numbers. If a negative number is involved in a subtraction, you should always rewrite the subtraction as an addition. And what that means is you rewrite this as an addition of the opposite of the number you are subtracting. And here's a few examples. First, we're going to look at subtracting negative 20 minus 5. We're going to rewrite that as negative 20 plus the opposite of 5, which means we rewrite it as negative 20 plus negative 5. We then use the rules for addition of a negative to a negative. This always results in a bigger negative. So negative 20 added to negative 5 ends up being negative 25. It's like adding a $20 debt to a $5 debt. You end up with a bigger $25 debt. In our next example, we subtract 13 minus a negative 6. Here we rewrite this as 13 plus the opposite of negative 6, which is positive 6. So we rewrite it as 13 plus 6. This ends up being just a regular old addition, giving us a result of 19. In our next example, we subtract negative 30 minus negative 10. We rewrite this as negative 30 plus the opposite of negative 10, which is negative 30 plus 10. When we add a negative to a positive, we subtract absolute values and use the sign from the number with a larger absolute value. The difference of the absolute values is 20, but the result will be negative. So we get negative 30 plus 10 is negative 20. Also, we can think of negative 30 as a $30 debt added to a $10 paycheck. That ends up with us being $20 in debt. In our last example, we subtract 12 minus 20. Here we rewrite this as 12 plus the opposite of 20, which is negative 20. So we get 12 plus negative 20. Here again we're adding a positive to a negative. The negative has the bigger absolute value, so the result is negative. 12 plus negative 20 makes negative 8. It's like adding a $20 debt to a $12 paycheck. You're $8 in the hole, or you have a result of a $8 debt, or negative 8.